Conquering, to, mastering adverbs of degree. Hello everyone. Today, we'll delve deep into the fascinating world of adverbs of degree, specifically focusing on one particular adverb, to. By the end of this video, you will not only understand how to use to, but also how it can influence the meaning of your sentences. The first step to mastering any concept is understanding it. To is an adverb of degree, which means it's used to give more information about the intensity, degree, or manner of an action. To, in particular, is used to suggest that something is more than is needed or wanted, or more than is suitable or possible. For example, consider the sentence, "It's too hot outside." Here, to is indicating an excessive amount of heat, more than what is comfortable or desirable. When it comes to using to, placement matters. Typically, to is placed before the adjective or adverb it is modifying. For example, the tea is too hot. In this sentence, to is modifying hot, giving us the impression that the tea is hotter than we would like. While both to and very are adverbs of degree, they are not interchangeable. To has a negative connotation, implying excessiveness, while very simply intensifies the adjective or adverb it modifies. For instance, saying, "The music is too loud," implies that the volume is excessively high, perhaps causing discomfort. On the other hand, "The music is very loud" just means the music is quite loud, without any suggestion of it being more than desired. To can also be used in conjunction with to and an infinitive verb to express a consequence. Here, to plus adjective, adverb plus to plus infinitive conveys the meaning that because something is excessive, something else can't happen. For example, "He was too tired to study." This means that he was so tired, he couldn't study. Understanding and using to correctly can enhance your English speaking and writing abilities, adding depth to your expression. With consistent practice, you'll soon be using this adverb of degree like a pro. Remember, English is a beautiful language, and the key to mastering it lies in learning its many nuances. We hope this video has been helpful, and we can't wait to see you in the next one. Keep practicing, keep learning,